Hey, I'm Jake, and I'm going to tell you some Yo Mama jokes. Your mom was so fat that her sizes were 37, 24, and 37, and that was on her left leg. Your mom was so sick that she put salt water down her pants to keep her crabs fresh. Your mom was so dumb that when your dad said it was chilly outside, your mom would grab a spoon. Your mom was so stupid that she brought a spoon to the Super Bowl. Your mom was so weak that she can't even bruise a tomato. Your mom was so fat that when she played the role in E.T., when they rode over the moon, she caused an eclipse. Your mom was so fat that she has to put a bookmark in her rolls so she knows where her belly button is. Mom was so fat she is on both sides of the family. Mom was so ugly she made a blind man cry. Mom was so dumb that when she climbed over a window, she wanted to climb over a window that was and see what was on the other side. Mom was so fat I did a 2-mile jog around her. Mom was so fat that her shadow weighs 100 pounds. My last joke for this video, your mama. See ya.